Hey Thinksters, and welcome to today's video where I want to show you the trick number 2, our Python one-liner trick number 2. So this is part of my Python one-liner video series where I want to create one-liner video for each chapter in my new book, Python One-Liners, which you can check out. It appears in 2020 with No Starch Press, so if you watch this video, it's probably already out. And yeah, so let's dive right into the one-liner. So the idea, so in this video, you will learn how to read a file and store the result as a list of strings, one string per line. And then we will also remove any leading and trailing white spaces from the lines. And all of this will happen in a single line of code obviously. Okay, so in Python, reading a file is really straightforward, but usually it takes a few lines of code and a few Google searches to accomplish this. So for example, here is one standard way of doing it. So if you have a file name, say file name some file.py, for example, so we can maybe we can even read this code file though. So if I show you the shell, my editor, so you see this code file is named code.py, so we can open this code file itself. Okay, so code file can open itself. And how do we do this? So we call the open function on our file name, and now we have established a connection. We have opened the file and we can now read content from the file. Okay, and we can do this, for example, by we create a variable lines, it's a list, and then we go for all line in f. Okay, you see now the file object it works like an iterator, so you can iterate over a file object, and then it will go over it line by line by line, and then we can say append a value to the file. So we could append the whole line to our lines variable, and but we can also do some processing. For example, we can get rid of all leading and trailing whitespace characters, and then we can print everything to the shell. Okay, so if you execute this code, here is my shell. It's not so, maybe I restart the shell because it was a bit cluttered from my previous executions. Okay, and now you see this is exactly like all lines are stored in a list now, all lines of this exact code file. So we have the file name code.py. This is what I just wrote. So the code file reads itself, and then it prints the resulting list of lines. And so you see this usually takes like 6 lines of code or so to accomplish this. And there's a very concise one-liner that does everything in a single line of code. And how does it work? So let's dive into the one-liner. I first write the one-liner and then I will explain it to you. Okay, so we print something, and what do we print? A list. Okay, so we open the list and we use list comprehension to create a list ad hoc, and then we have like any list comprehension statement consists of an expression part and a context part. So this is just my dummy writing now. So what is the context? For each line in open read file, you already know that. So now let's again use this example CodePy. So you already know that if you open a file, the return value is the file object, and you can iterate over each file object. The file object is an iterator basically, so you can get all the values from a file object. And what other values? These are the different lines. So you can go over all lines in the code, and now we can do something with the lines. And what do we want to do? We want to strip these lines, and if you strip the line, so then basically the strip function, it returns a copy of the string with leading and trailing white spaces removed. Okay, so this is how it works. And fortunately it doesn't operate on an existing string object, because string objects are immutable, so you cannot modify an existing string object. String objects cannot be changed at all. So therefore, by calling the strip function, it returns a new string with the leading and trailing white spaces removed. So okay, let's maybe have a quick example here. So say you have a string blah blah Thinkster with some white spaces, even say tab character and some new line characters and some white spaces, and then we call strip on this. Then it returns a new string where we have removed all white spaces, leading and trailing white spaces, okay? And we do this now within our list comprehension statement. So we call line.strip for line in open code Python. And this basically gives us, so if you execute this, yeah, it gives us our whole, I mean, now this code file basically consists only of this one line, one statement. So therefore we have only one statement in our resulting list. But if you would have opened the same code file, then we would have gotten exactly the same result in a single line of code instead of 6 lines of code. Okay, so have a look again at this code, and now I go back to our previous code, and now you can see, oh, okay, it was like 5 lines of code. So we have a very concise, simple, quick one-liner to open a file, read all text from the file, and store it in the list as a list of lines. Okay, so very beautiful, nice little trick. And yeah, thanks for listening to this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.